Who got first last time? That would be Shane Morris. Again, first class, thousandaire. Hit that like button, generous guy. A little generosity plants the seeds of prosperity. I made that up some time ago on here. Doesn't it sound like it's true, though? Think about it. Who wants to be generous with a tightwad? So come up off that like and expand this thousandaire community. You won't see me talking up silver and gold and then in the same breath referring you to a bullion dealer sponsor. That would be clear bias, and we're not playing that game here. If they were sponsoring me, they wouldn't want me to do a show like I'm going to do today. And what's that, you might ask? Today, I have 5 compelling reasons to consider selling gold. That's right. Oh, hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. I just voted. And I was in line for about an hour and a half. I'm glad I took some friends along. The lines, they've just been way too long since 1920. We should do something about that. Relax, I'm just talking, maybe an extra polling station. Standing on concrete for an hour and a half was pretty nice, after walking 7 miles last night before bed. That's right, still getting into 15K a day. 15,000 steps, not kilometers. Don't get all excited, you metric system people out there. I don't know about you, friendo, but I'm feeling pretty great. I've already had 2 cups of coffee. I got up at 6:55 a.m. so that I could sell that stock I bought yesterday morning. I would have sold it then and for less, but I can only get so many penalties for pattern day trading. If you buy a stock, sell it in the same day, that's considered a day trade, and you can only do so many of those if you have a stock account under $25,000. Yeah, so I made like $500. I gotta pay taxes on that, but not bad for a day off. All right, so I gotta crunch this video out real quick. Standing in line took up all my time. What's the first reason you may want to sell your gold? By the way, none of this is advice, okay? So do your own research, use your own brain. Okay then, the first reason, high market prices. Gold prices have been strong recently. If the price per ounce is high, it could be an opportune time to cash in on any gains. This could be especially attractive if you bought gold at a lower price. I shed a couple ounces at $2,517 an ounce. I know. It's been fun watching it keep going up after I did that. But this is why I don't think all or nothing. I cost average in, I cost average out. I still have plenty left. Although that stock I sold this morning, I don't have any of that left, and it's still going up. But whatever, I thought it might. But it could also collapse. Okay, I'll shut up about the stock now. All right. Number 2, the second reason why you might want to sell your gold. Financial needs. If you need liquidity to cover debts, make large purchases, or invest in opportunities with better returns, selling your gold can provide immediate funds. Gold is valuable, but doesn't provide cash flow. So selling might be a good way to put your resources to more active use. That makes sense, especially if you got a somewhat sure thing. Why wouldn't you do that? Although, again, I would never sell all of my gold. But never say never, I guess. I don't know. All right, the third reason why you might want to sell your gold. Diversification. If gold comprises a large part of your portfolio, selling some can help diversify your investments and reduce risk. Maintaining a balanced portfolio helps protect against volatility in any one asset class. That seems like it makes sense to me. I mean, who wants to be just invested in one asset class? I mean, that didn't work out so well for Venezuela. That was also another reason why I sold a bit of my gold. One of the many ways I chart my assets is with a pie graph, and when the value of something goes up, it can start to take up a larger portion of the pie than I intended it to do. This is a good problem. So in this situation, I'll sell a little off and buy some of the lower performing assets that I believe in long term. Or I will just keep the asset that went up and just simply buy more of the lower cost assets that I still believe in long term to balance things out. These moves, especially when selling, don't feel good at the time of making them often, but later it proves to be a great thing. And I'm happy that I did it in almost all cases. All right, moving on. The fourth reason why you may want to sell some of your gold. Potential economic shifts. If you foresee the economy stabilizing, which could drive gold prices lower, it may be wise to sell while values are high. Gold often serves as a safe haven in times of uncertainty, but it may lose value as other investment options become more appealing. Yeah, so when the boogeyman's away, the markets still play. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You hit that like button, right? I appreciate it so much. Thank you. I'll continue. And the fifth and final reason, at least in this video, why you may want to sell some of your gold. No income generation. I know. If you're scowling at this one, I feel that too. But here it is. Gold doesn't generate dividends, interest, or rental income like other assets. Selling gold could allow you to invest in assets that generate passive income, increasing your financial growth over time. Yeah, I had gold and it didn't give me an income, but it did increase my financial growth. I did sell it. I got an income from that, I guess you could say. All right, so not the most popular topic, but let me know what you think in the comments below again. I gotta dash out of here just so I can get to work late again. Don't judge me. Maybe I want to get fired. All right, that's it. That is it. Thousandaire Radio, wicked job.